Hello, and welcome back to my channel. And I can't even front you guys. I'm extremely, immensely excited about this box. And I am for three reasons. Number one, as you saw in the title, this is for my little fireplace here in my craft room. This is like one of the final pieces that I needed for my craft room, which is why it was taking so long. That's the first reason, because it's a fireplace, and you guys know I love a good fireplace. Number two, my honey bought it for me. I mean, my sister-in-law bought it for me because she loves me, and she told me that she thinks I'm the best person ever in the world, and that there could never ever be a better sister-in-law than I am, and all this wonderful stuff. Not all that, but she loves me. So let me tell you really quick while I unbox this. We're gonna have a talk. So I told her my birthday was last year in June. Well, this year in June, okay? You see, we're in December, okay? December 1st. I told her when my birthday came, because we in the year of Corona, I said, no, don't worry about getting me anything for my birthday. I don't need anything. I'm fine. Spend it on you. Save it. Do something with it, okay? That's what I told her. But you know how some people just will not take no for an answer? She's one of those people. She just was like, I don't care what you say, I'm gonna get you something. So every month, about once a month maybe, she would call and harass me. I said harass. Yes, my husband, I said harass. She would call, she knows I love her. She would call and harass me about picking something I want for my birthday. And I told her, I don't need anything, I don't want anything, no. Now all the while, I was in the middle of doing this renovation here, and I've been eyeballing this fireplace for months, but I did not want her to get it for me because to me it was a bit pricey, and you know, I just didn't want her to spend that money and do all that. So I was like, nah, I'm not gonna ask her. I'm gonna just not say nothing and hope that, you know, as time goes on, she'll forget and she'll stop telling me to you know, order something, because she kept saying, find something you want, order it. Find something you want and order it. And I kept putting it off. Well, this month came along the end of November, and she was like, Mo, if you don't order something, I'm gonna order something for you. I'm gonna pick it. And I was like, I don't want her to pick it because I already knew what I wanted. So I just finally gave her the information, and she ordered it for me. I ordered it maybe 2 days ago, the end of November, and it just came today, like literally just now. It just got dark. It just got here. So that means y'all get to open it with, y'all get to experience the love of giving, okay? So Mahasa, if you are watching, I was gonna call you when I got it, but then I figured it would be so much better if you just saw it on video. That way you can get the whole gist of everything. So what we are doing today, extreme power fireplace wall mounted curved glass. Y'all, I'm so excited. Okay, so first thing, these little cute little colorful, well, they're not colorful, they're clear crystals, okay? And here we've got the remote and the hanging stuff. So this is the electric fireplace with remote, model number 95182, okay? I'll find the name of the company. So I'm gonna unbox it with y'all, so you guys can, you know, at least if one of you guys are looking for a fireplace, in case you're looking for a fireplace and you wanna, like, you know, check this one out and see, this might be for you. And right now, Walmart, they're on sale right now. So, oh, y'all, oh, won't he do it? All right, we're peeling it on out. And it's an electric fireplace. It's not a real fireplace. But I'm assuming y'all got good common sense and have figured that out, if I haven't already said it. We're gonna just slide her on out. Okay. Slide her out of there. Now, that's it. That's all that's in this big giant box. It's the fireplace. Okay, now first thing I'm gonna do is just examine it. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty, y'all. Look at that. See how pretty? So I'm just going to examine it real quick to make sure there's nothing wrong with it. Because we don't want to hang it up and all that and then something ain't right or there's a crack in it. All that jazz. So whenever you buy something like this, first thing you want to do is check her out. She's looking pretty good. She's looking good, y'all. She's looking good. All right, I'm gonna stand her up. Oh boy. See that? Try not to pick up the glare of my light. Okay, it's gonna glare anyway. Sorry, y'all. So that is how it looks standing up. There she is from this side. Now she is, let me remember, 13 inches by 35 inches, 13 inches wide, supposedly, by 35 inches tall, and 5.5 inches deep, okay?
So you guys know I called in Honey to help me install this because it was a beast. Thank God he is willing to always help me fix things that I have a hard time fixing. I consider myself a pretty rounded woman, but when it comes to stuff like this, I really don't want to fool with it. And he's much more thorough with it, so I'm glad that he helped me. And so while installing this, there were a few holes that needed to be drilled through the cabinetry. Again, thank God that I have a husband that knows how to do all that sort of stuff. And in no time at all, it was on the wall and looking wonderful. And so let's get into some of these features, shall we? First off, it is touch screen. So when you turn it on, all the buttons will light up as so. We have one for the heater, one for the timer, one for the amount of heat you want to come out of it, one for the backlight, one for the flame colors, and the flame amount. And it is also equipped with this handy dandy little remote, and you know I'm utilizing that. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the backlight colors. Here we have the blue, no backlight, orange, red, and then again blue. I love it. It is such a cozy feature in my craft room. I think it's very unique. I don't know too many people that have a fireplace in their craft room, and me, being the type of person I am, just found this so delightful. And so now you guys, we're gonna go up close so that you can see the flame height. It goes from like a small flame, medium, all the way up to I think 5 levels of flame. Then it goes from blue to blue and orange, and then just orange. I am so grateful for my sissy buying me this, enjoying it in my craft room. It really does set the mood, and yes, sometimes I do like crafting at night in the dark.
All right, so you guys, so that is my little fireplace.
So I want to thank you guys for joining me in this unboxing. Like I said, this was such an important piece to my craft room. I can't wait to show my craft room. That will be coming soon. I know I've been saying that for a while. But as always, you guys, stay wrapped in scraps, stay loving you, stay loving God, stay loving life. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.